Hi, my name is Wilson Tang, and I'm the CEO and founder of TheraKnetic. And today, I'm going to tell you about the future of physical therapy. Before I begin, I have a quick question. How many of you have ever gone through physical therapy? Many of you have, and many of you haven't. But for those of you that haven't, let me tell you why you should still care. I can guarantee that all of you will experience significant muscle loss from natural aging. Half of you will develop a musculoskeletal disease that should and can be treated by physical therapy. And finally, after the age of 65, a fourth of you will fall every single year. So imagine that you had a nasty fall, you broke your leg, went through surgery, and now you have to go through something much harder than a typical workout. You have to go through physical therapy. Because this time, if you don't do it properly, you may never walk properly again. So your physical therapist presents you with a rigorous set of exercises and confusing diagrams, don't read that please, that's supposed to last for the next 3 to 6 months. And the worst part is, when you do these exercises, it's going to hurt. Faced with all of these challenges, it's no wonder that 70% of patients don't do these exercises, which is a huge issue because these exercises are critical to your recovery. That's where TheraKnetic comes in. TheraKnetic is building a wearable sleeve that collects real-time biometric information about how your body is responding and recovering based on these exercises. In addition, our application will analyze all this content and present it back to you to make sure that you stay on track and stay motivated. When doing your exercises, you put on one of our easy-to-use and comfortable sleeves. These sleeves incorporate medical technology, such as electromyography, which is the science of detecting how your muscles are responding. However, rather than use traditional adhesive and metallic electrodes, which are uncomfortable for consumer use, we're using textile-based electrodes. As a result, we can reduce a lot of the unnecessary electronics and uncomfortable portions, allowing you to have a very easy-to-use experience. Furthermore, our application will give you real-time feedback while you're doing these exercises, helping make sure that you are doing the correct exercises and that you're staying on track. In addition, after completing your exercises, you will get an analysis as well as gamified metrics that help motivate you and know that every single exercise that you just did not only was potentially correct, but also making a difference in your recovery process, making sure that you are able to play with your grandkids, run a marathon, or throw a baseball again. Now, let's think, on the other hand, about what the physical therapist gets. The physical therapist is now able to know how you are doing at home quickly and efficiently. They don't have the time to necessarily grill you on every single aspect of your at-home care, and through our application, they'll be able to know that at the click of a button. In addition, we can help them identify which patients are most at risk and need the most help. Maybe this patient didn't do their exercises, or maybe this patient is working too hard and is at risk of further injury. And finally, we hope to use machine learning to help them deliver better care by analyzing which exercises and treatments are most effective for you. So what is our market? $20 billion was spent on treating musculoskeletal disorders last year. We're targeting what we identify as one of the largest and most at-risk markets, which is post-hospitalization for injuries such as falls and knee replacement surgeries. We estimate that even if we capture 15% of this market, we can generate $80 million in revenue in a single year. We're getting there with key partners such as senior living centers, health insurers, and physical therapy organizations. Furthermore, we're directly selling to channels such as home health agencies, which provide physical therapy within locations like senior living centers, as well as hospitals and outpatient physical therapy clinics. There is a lot of competition within the wearable space. However, we are uniquely positioned between multiple different industries. On the high end, we have research-level monitoring devices such as Delsis, and on the other end, we have casual consumer fitness products. However, we provide more data at a more affordable price point that is customized for recovery and physical therapy. So what have we done so far? We've tested 2 iterations of our app and wearable product, which you can see at our booth. We've also extensively interviewed many patients, and every single one of these patients said that they either wish they had this or wish they had it right now. In addition, 9 out of 10 physical therapists said that this system would tremendously improve their practice. Finally, we are about to launch a beta test with the senior living center nearby, North Hill, who has granted us funding and access to their health services. We're getting there in 2 quick steps. First, we're finishing product development within the rest of this year with our testing with locations like North Hill. And then afterwards, we're going to be launching directly into clinical testing and validation and getting approval. So who is the team behind TheraKnetic? I'm Wilson Tang. I'm the CEO and founder. I'm an electrical and computer engineer from Olin College of Engineering. And I came all the way from California to Boston because I knew that this was where healthcare innovation happened. And in pursuit of that dream, I have pursued medical innovation competitions held by MIT's Hacking Medicine and won awards from organizations like Boston Children's Hospital and Brigham and Women's. In addition, I've helped Boston Children's Hospital redesign their primary care patient waiting experience. In addition, I have a team of other engineers from Olin College and in California who are helping me develop the product in both machine learning as well as the software and wearable aspects. We also have two critical advisors who have experience in design as well as sales and marketing and are consulting multiple physical therapists to make sure our product really nails the market. So what's next? We're starting off by providing and empowering patients and physical therapists the information they need to take control of this recovery process. With our information, patients will get better faster and smarter. In addition, because we're collecting this immensely powerful data set about how patients are recovering, we're going to elevate the understanding of the industry overall and letting physical therapists know which treatments are the most effective and how long it's going to take this patient to recover. So how can you help? First off, we're looking for more mentors in the healthcare industry, as well as some technical aspects such as electromyography. In addition, we're looking for more development partners and testing sites. And finally, we hope to get feedback from every single one of you because this is also a very important consumer-facing product that you might use in the future.